Today we will be discussing topic 2.2.3 on the anatomy of the heart and the circulation of the heart. When discussing this topic, we must make reference to the valves, chambers, such as the left and right atrium and the left and right ventricles, arteries and veins, and we must be aware of the inverse directions, as when facing a heart such as this, it is in a mirrored view. Therefore, the left is now right and the right is now left. As seen in this diagram of a heart, we firstly have the left and right atriums. The left and right atriums can be seen at the top of the heart, whereas we have the left and right ventricles, which can be seen at the bottom. We also have the major artery and veins, such as the superior and inferior vena cava, and the pulmonary veins on both sides of the heart. Lastly, the aorta. The various valves in the heart prevent the backward flow of blood, which is derived from the shape of them, only allowing the blood to enter and not allowing them back out, as can be seen in this diagram. Now that we have had a brief overview of the anatomy of the heart, we will now discuss with more detail of the circulation of blood. To begin, the right side of the heart receives venous blood, meaning deoxygenated blood, from the superior and inferior vena cava, which enter the right atrium. Blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Then the blood moves through the pulmonary valve into the main pulmonary artery, which is divided into the left and right artery, as the blood will now flow into both lungs. This is where gaseous exchange occurs. The pulmonary veins found on both sides of the heart bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium from the lungs. The blood moves through the mitral valve into the left ventricle and through the aortic valve into the aorta. This is where the blood then flows to the rest of the body.